Today I'm going to show you how to connect your PC to Wi-Fi using your phone. That's right, no Ethernet cable, no Wi-Fi adapter, just your smartphone. Let's jump right in. First, you need to turn your phone into a mobile hotspot. This will allow your phone to share its internet connection with your PC. I'm going to show you how to do this. First things first, go to settings, then tap on personal hotspot. Turn on allow others to join and you can set a password if needed. Make sure your iPhone's mobile data is turned on as your phone will be using mobile data to create the hotspot. Like this, and allow others to join. Simply turn on Bluetooth as well. Now, after that, once your mobile hotspot is active, it's time to connect your PC to it. On your PC, open the Wi-Fi settings and by clicking on the Wi-Fi icon in the taskbar, look for the name of the hotspot you just created on your phone and simply fill in the Wi-Fi and the password you have and simply connect it. And that's it. That's how you simply connect your Wi-Fi to the laptop using your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.